Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you an easy trick to get the common blueface sunfish to complete your Pirate Cove Index. In the latest update, there's a forgotten scale quest, but to unlock it, you first need to finish the Pirate Cove Index. So one of the required fish is the blueface sunfish. This one, this one. And the good news is this is a common fish with a low level, so it's very easy to get. But for this setup, you only need a starter rod or a low level bait. Like this. Like this. And for the bait, you can also use a starter bait. It's no special care needed. And then next, just go to the Pirate Cove and start fishing on here. Like for example, you can fishing on this pond, this one. And then next, just keep fishing and wait until you get the fish. And for the appearance, the blueface has looks like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. It's so cute. It has a yellow body with a blue stripe on its head like this, and I think it's so cute. And okay, that's it. Super simple way to complete your Pirate Cove Index. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.